Stop by and take a look at the 2016 INFINITI QX50. The INFINITI QX50 is the perfect blend of luxury and power. You will be impressed with the QX50's agile sports sedan-like handling. It comes with a very responsive steering and strong brakes. The QX50 offers extremely high levels of safety and luxury, all with a sleek new design, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, moonroof, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, backup camera, alloy wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.